Administration, military system, and local assemblies. Administration system. As like the earlier dynasties, the rulers always were dependent on land revenues, and thus villages were the basic units of their administration. Beside them, we can see several bureaucratic posts like Kumara Amatya, ministers in King's Court, Mahadandanayaka, Chief Judicial Officer, Sandhi Vigrahika, Counselor on War and Peace, and so on. Additionally, the rich merchants used to get the post like Nagara Shreshthi or chief merchant in the societies as well. In Pallava system, we find the hierarchy like Mandalam or the state, Kottam or Vishayas, Nadu or council of villages, and Urs or village respectively. Military system. A new trend in military system was seen during Gupta era. There were many military leaders who used to provide the military support to king when it was required. In turn, they were given a portion of land from where they collected the revenue, and thus they were called Samantas. It was seen that whenever the main ruler went weaker, the Samanta kings tried to supersede the king. Local assemblies. In Pallava inscriptions, we can find the name of assembly as Sabha, which was assumingly the organization of Brahmins. These assemblies had numerous subcommittees to look after various activities like irrigations, road construction, and so on. In non-Brahmins contexts, the assemblies named as Ur in villages and Nagaram in cities led by merchants could be seen. The rich and powerful landowners and merchants used to retain these assemblies for more than a century.